Hi, my name is George. I'm not the best editor in the world. I just want to learn something new and become better. Today I will try to create short action music video. I picked this song. I tried to cover it by stock footage. I used this website Mixkit. You can find some good free footage here, and sounds are from this website freesound.org. Here is my edit. I edited all to music. It is nothing crazy, some animated scaling, a bit of speed ramping and little color corrections. Here you can see color correction before and after. Stop talking and let's see how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you at the next one.